Okay, so today I start with the trigonometry. So, screen share ചെയ്യാം. Share ചെയ്യാണ്. Amira, audible? Amira, your name?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today's chapter is trigonometry. I start with the 2024 paper. All these questions taken from 2024 paper. Look at this problem. Sec theta minus tan theta equal to m. Then the value of sec theta plus tan theta. Next class also I will continue this chapter. Anybody? Sec theta minus tan theta m. Find the value of sec theta plus tan theta. സാറയ്ക്ക് അറിയാമോ? സാറ നോ ഐഡിയ? അമീറ?
Yes, sir. Sec theta minus tan theta, then find the value.
ഓക്കെ. അവീൻ ഹൗ ടു?
So,
പറഞ്ഞോ. യെസ് സാറ.
sir, ഇന്നത്തെ
പറഞ്ഞോളൂ.
I do have it.
Okay. Anyway, I will discuss sec theta minus tan theta m, sec theta plus tan theta. We have studied one identity that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Have you studied this identity, Amira? Yes. Why I selected this identity? Because you know sec theta minus tan theta given sec theta plus tan theta is our question. So we have an identity containing sec and tan. This is an identity containing sec and tan. This identity may help us. Okay. So sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. This identity look like a square minus b square. Correct alle? Amira, is that correct? A square minus b square form. So you know that a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Can I write like that? A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So please remember this question. So equal to 1. So now in this question, what is the sec theta minus tan theta? Sec theta minus tan theta is given as m, given in the question. So the sec theta minus tan theta can be written as m. So I can write sec theta plus tan theta into this one is m is equal to 1. I can take m to the right hand side. M in a right side lotu kondovumbol sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 by m. This is our question. Our question is sec theta plus tan theta. So please remember this question. Please note this identity. Sec square minus tan square 1. We have studied this identity. All of you clear? All of you clear? Amira, Sarah? Okay.
Yes.
So we can go to next problem. 1 minute. We can go to next problem. 1 minute. Okay. Yes. ഒന്ന് മ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യട്ടോ. ഓക്കെ, മ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യും. ദിസ് വൺ കോസ് ആൽഫ പ്ലസ് ബീറ്റ ഈക്വൽ ടു 0. Next class, when you come to the next class, please learn everything in this chapter trigonometry. Learn all formulas. Cos alpha plus beta is equal to 0. Find the value of cos alpha plus beta all divided by 2. Avin അറിയാമോ ഇതെങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യേണ്ടതെന്ന്? Avin? No idea. Amira, do you have any idea? Amira? No idea. This is a multiple choice question. It's a very simple question. what is given here in this question? What is given? It is given that cos of alpha plus beta is given as 0. Correct? So what is this alpha plus beta? This alpha plus beta must be 90 degree. Is that correct? Because we studied, yes, we studied cos 90 degree equal to 0. We have studied that result. Cos 90 degree equal to 0. So this alpha plus beta must be 90 degree. സാറയ്ക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ടോ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞത്? സാറ കറക്റ്റ് അല്ലേ? So alpha plus beta must be 90 degree. What is our question? What is our question? Our question is cos of alpha plus beta by 2. This alpha plus beta by 2 is inside cosine. Clear? Inside cosine. So this becomes cos of, what is this alpha plus beta? We got alpha plus beta 90 degree. Correct? So alpha plus beta written as 90 by 2. This 90 by 2 is inside cos. So this will be cos 45 degree. Correct? 90 by 2 is 45 degree. Avin ariyamo cos 45 inde value? Avin?
1 by root 2.
Yes, correct. Cos 45 degree 1 by root 2. So option A is the correct answer. So with simple question, you need to understand the basics of trigonometry, like cos 90 0, cos 45 1 by root 2. Like, okay, clear? Amira, Avin, okay, clear aanallo ellavarkum?
Yes.
So let us look at the next problem. It is a 2-mark question. Question is a simple question. 2 root 2 cos 45 degree sin 30 plus 2 root 3 cos 30 degree. So it's not a difficult question, it's a simple question. I'm going to explain a part. 2 root 2 cos 45. 2 root 2 cos 45. Amira, what is the value of cos 45? Amira?
1 by root 2.
Yes, cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Next, sin 30. Sarah, what is sin 30? Sin 30 value അറിയാമോ സാറയ്ക്ക്?
So sin 2.
എത്രയാ ഒന്നുകൂടി പറഞ്ഞേ?
Sin 30 യുടെ value
2 അല്ല, sin 30 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2, okay. Plus next 2 root 3 is there. Correct? It's a simple question. 2 root 3 is there into cos 30 degree. You know that cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Correct? So what is the value? Then simplification. Root 2 cancels. 2 cancelled. Correct? So 1, okay, here only 1 is left, plus, and here which term cancels? Here 2 cancels. Root 3 into root 3 is there. Root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Yes, root 3 into root 3. 1 plus 3 4 is the answer. Simple question. Okay, Sarah, Avin, എല്ലാവർക്കും clear അല്ലേ? Okay ആണോ? So that one is over. Now I'm going to discuss B part. I'm going to discuss B part. It is a show that question. 1 minute. A equal to 60 degree and B equal to 30 degree. Verify that sin of A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. We have to prove it. Similar question is there in NCERT book. We need to find out both LHS and RHS. It's a show that question. LHS is what? Sin A plus B. Correct? LHS is sin A plus B. A is 60 degree and B is 30 degree. Correct? So sin A plus B, sin 60 plus 30. that is sine 90 degree. I have already explained that sine 90 equal to 1. Okay, clear? So left hand side is 1. Now I am going to find out right hand side, RHS. Avin ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ അല്ലേ Avin?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Right hand side is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, correct? A is 60 degree and B is 30 degree. So substituting sin 60 cos 30 plus cos 60 sin 30. Clear? Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. And cos 30 also root 3 by 2. Plus cos 60 is there. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. And sin 30 is there 1 by 2. സാറയ്ക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ അല്ലേ സാറ? ഇവിടെ root 3 into root 3 becomes 3. 2 into 2 4 അല്ലേ? സിമ്പിൾ ആണ്. So we get 3 by 4 plus. And here 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4. This will be 4 by 4, that is 1. So I got LHS equal to 1 and RHS also 1. So I can write LHS is equal to RHS. I proved it. All of you clear? Okay. So I hope you understood. So we can go to next problem. Okay. I will send the PDF. You need not copy the solution. This one is extremely lengthy problem. This solution carries 3 marks. So it's an extremely lengthy problem. So tell me how to prove this statement. In all paper there will be at least one question. Show that question. Okay. Tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. Very lengthy problem. Amira, how to start this problem? Amira, tell me.
We can start like tan theta is sin theta.
Yes. In most of the show that type problems, in most of the show that questions, more than 90% of questions, we convert LHS in the form of sin and cos. LHS may be containing tan, cot, sec, like that. We will convert everything in terms of sin and cos. More than 90% of the questions we follow the same method. Okay. So tan theta, you have studied that. സാറയ്ക്ക് അറിയാമോ tan theta എങ്ങനെ സൈനിൻ്റെയും കോസിൻ്റെയും ടേമിൽ tan? സാറ?
Sin theta by cos theta.
Yes. Tan theta is written as sin theta by cos theta. I told you this question is extremely lengthy problem, but this is the right method. Okay. Divide by 1 minus, Amira, tell me what is cot theta? Cot theta in terms of sin and cos. What is
Sin square theta.
no. Cot theta in terms of sin and cos.
Sir,
പറഞ്ഞോ.
cos by sin.
Yes, cos theta by sin theta. Amira, okay, please note it.
Okay.
Remember, tan theta is sin by cos, so cot theta will be cos by sin, because cot is the reciprocal of tan. Plus, and this one is cot theta. Cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. Okay. Denominator 1 minus tan theta is there. Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Amira, are you clear? Amira, understood?
Yes, sir.
The next step, sin theta by cos theta all divided by, and here in the denominator side you can do the cross multiplication, simplify. Okay, 1 minus this one, do the cross multiplication. 1 into sin minus cos, correct? Sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta. Similarly, this one cos theta by sin theta. എല്ലാവരും ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചിരിക്കണം കേട്ടോ. ഓക്കെ, cos theta by sin theta all divided by, again do the cross multiplication like this.
Cos theta minus sin
Cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta, correct? Cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. സാറയ്ക്ക് മനസ്സിലായല്ലോ? സാറ, അവിൻ ക്ലിയർ ആവുന്നുണ്ട്? ഓക്കെ, കുറച്ച് ലെങ്തിയാണ്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റെപ്പ് ഈസ്, you know, division. To do the division we have to multiply with the reciprocal. To do the division we need to multiply with the reciprocal. So the first term will be sin theta into cos theta into, multiply with the reciprocal of denominator. Okay, taking reciprocal we get sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Again here also we need to multiply with the reciprocal. The reciprocal of denominator will be cos theta by, 1 minute, cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta. ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചിരിക്കണേ, cos theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. Avin, okay, clear? Avin clear? Avin, no response.
Yes, sir.
Clear on. Now I want to add these two terms. So you can see that, listen, all of you please listen. I want to add these two, both of them having different denominators. Listen, so let me explain one important thing. This is sin theta minus cos theta, correct? This is cos theta minus sin theta. Let me take a minus sign from cos theta minus sin theta. Let me take minus 1 from this expression. If I take minus 1 from this expression, this becomes sin minus cos. Here there is sin minus cos. This one I want to make sin minus cos by taking a minus sign outside. I will write to the next step. Listen, all of you please listen carefully. Here you see that sin theta into sin theta, right? Sin theta into sin theta will be sin square theta, correct? And here cos theta into sin minus cos, correct? Cos theta into sin minus cos. I hope you can see whatever I am writing. Here cos into cos becomes cos square. And sin theta into, look here, from cos minus sin, let me take a minus 1 outside. Let me take a minus 1 outside. Okay, minus 1 is taken out. Sin theta into sin minus cos. Sin theta into sin minus cos. Okay, I think you can see. Okay, all of it clear? Understood? Clear?
Yes.
Amira, Avin, all of it clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
So look here, sin theta minus cos theta, again sin theta minus cos theta. Sin theta minus cos theta is common in both the terms, correct? So let me do one thing. Let me take 1 by sin theta minus cos theta outside. Otherwise the addition will be very difficult. So the common term is there. Sin theta minus cos theta is common in both the terms. So let me take it outside. So here sin square by cos theta is there. In the first term there is sin square theta by cos theta. Here you can see there is a negative sign. Minus 1 is there. This minus 1 can be taken to the numerator side. This minus 1 taken to numerator side. And here cos square theta by sin theta. Cos square theta by sin theta. What happens to that sin theta minus cos theta? It is common in both the terms. So from both the terms, I took 1 by sin theta minus cos theta outside. All of it clear? Amira, Sara, Avin, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So numerator, look here. Here what you have to do? Subtraction of fraction. You can do the cross multiplication like this. Correct? Do the cross multiplication like this. You can see that sin square into sin will be sin cube theta. Sin square into sin will be sin cube theta. Minus is there. Cos square into cos is there. Cos square into cos, cos cube theta. One I don't want to write. There is 1 in the numerator side. I don't want to write that. In the denominator there is sin theta minus cos theta. And here you can see cos theta into sin theta. Clear? Here I have done the cross multiplication. Denominator there will be cos into sin. Or okay, cos into sin. Sara, okay le? Sara, clear ആണല്ലോ?
Yes.
Avin മനസ്സിലാവുന്നില്ല? Avin okay ആണല്ലോ അല്ലേ? Avin, hello Avin, no response. Now listen, we have an identity. This identity you studied in last year. A cube minus b cube, the factorization of a cube minus b cube is very, very important. Here in the numerator side I got a cube minus b cube, correct? A cube minus b cube കാണാൻ പറ്റും. We must know the factorization of a cube minus b cube. It is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Have you studied this identity last year? Amira?
Yes.
Sara, കേൾക്കാലോ അല്ലേ? Sara, okay.
Yes, sir.
So please ഇതൊന്ന് ഓർത്ത് വെച്ചേക്കാം. So numerator is a cube minus b cube. You can see a cube minus b cube. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് എങ്ങനെ എഴുതാൻ പറ്റും numerator? I can compare with this identity. So sin cube minus cos cube is written as a minus b, അതായത് sin theta minus cos theta, into a square plus ab plus b square. കാണാൻ പറ്റുമെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. Correct. Numerator is a cube minus b cube form, so it is written as a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Amira, clear? Amira?
Yes, sir.
And denominator is sin theta minus cos theta into cos theta into sin theta. Avin response ഇല്ലല്ലോ. സാറയ്ക്ക് മനസ്സിലായോ ഇത്രയും പറഞ്ഞത്? സാറ, any term cancels, numerator and denominator, any term cancel. I will tell you, this sin theta minus cos theta cancels. അല്ലേ? Numerator and denominator, sin theta minus cos theta cancels. Clear? So please read till this step. If you have any doubt, please tell me, I will explain. Amira, Sara, Avin, ഇതുവരെ എഴുതിയത് ഒന്ന് നോക്ക്. Amira, have you understood all these steps, Amira?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me go to next page. A few more steps is there. 2 or 3 steps are pending. Duplication is not required. 1 minute. It's a continuation of the previous question. So finally I got sine square plus sine theta cos theta plus cos square in the numerator side, correct? Let me write that. I got, 1 minute, yes, I got sine square theta plus sine theta cos theta plus cos square theta in the numerator side, and denominator sine theta into cos theta. Cos theta into sine theta same as sine theta into cos theta. Okay, sine theta into cos theta or cos theta into sine theta, both are same thing. Okay, all of it clear? All of it clear? In the next what we can do, you have studied one identity that sine square theta plus cos square theta 1. ഇല്ലേ പഠിച്ചിട്ടില്ലേ അവിൻ സാറ? Sine square plus cos square 1 ആണ്. So in the numerator side, combining first and third term, sine square plus cos square becomes 1. Middle term, let me write the middle term first. Sine theta into cos theta is written first, and sine square plus cos square becomes 1. In the denominator there is cos theta into sine theta. What is RHS, right hand side? Right hand side is 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. Yes, we will get, definitely we get. We can split it into 2. We can split this expression into 2. First term by denominator plus second term by denominator. Numerator is sum of two number, so this can be split into 2. First term by denominator, alle? First term എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ sin theta cos theta by cos theta sin theta. First term by denominator plus second term by denominator. We can split into 2 terms like this. Here you see that sin cancel, sin cancel, cos cancel, 1. Okay, only 1 is left. And here 1 by cos, let me write one additional steps, otherwise you will have confusion. 1 by cos into 1 by sin, correct? 1 by cos into sin, I can write it as 1 by cos into 1 by sin. Is there any problem if I write like this? No mistake at all. 1 into 1, 1 itself, correct? 1 into 1, 1 itself. Denominator cos into sin, yes, correct, no mistake. Clear? Avin, Sara, Amira, clear? So 1 plus this 1 by cos theta, you have studied that reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta, and 1 by sin theta, it is cosec theta. I think the same question is there in NCERT. It's a lengthy problem. Okay, whichever method you adopt, you will be getting these steps. Okay, this number of steps is required for solving this question. Well, idannalle prove cheyanda. Yes, 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. Appo Sara, Amira, Avin, all of you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Parallelly, I will discuss applications of trigonometry also. Okay, because same formula. Okay, so I don't need a separate session for this chapter. I will discuss problems from applications of trigonometry. You please read this question properly. I will come back within 2 minutes. By that time you draw a rough picture and try this question. Okay, 2 minutes. ഓക്കെ, സാറയ്ക്ക് മനസ്സിലായോ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ? സാറ നോ റെസ്പോൺസ്.
Yes, sir.
സാറയ്ക്ക് മനസ്സിലായോ ഇതെങ്ങനെയാണ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടതെന്ന്? സാറ, അവിൻ ക്ലിയർ ആണോ? അവിന് അറിയാം. അമീറ, ഇസ് ഇറ്റ് ഓൾറെഡി ടേക്കൺ യുവർ സ്കൂൾ? അമീറ,
Yes.
application, yes, applications of trigonometry. We have to draw a rough picture. A pole 6 meter high is fixed on a top of a tower. Look here, 1 minute. We have a tower. Okay, this yellow colored one is tower. Above this tower a pole is fixed. Clear? Above this tower a pole is fixed. This red colored one is pole, yellow colored one is tower. Clear? I hope you understood. Okay, I hope you have understood. So the pole is fixed. The height of the pole is 6 meter. Correct? The height of the pole is 6 meter, is fixed on a tower, top of a tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the pole. Let us give some name. A is the top, B is the bottom of the pole, C is the bottom of the tower. I hope you have understood. The angle of elevation of the top of the pole observed from a point P on the ground. This is the ground, and here there is a point P on the ground. Clear? The angle of elevation of the top of the point A, making an angle 60 degree. Correct? Correct? The top of the pole observed from a point P on the ground is 60 degree. Yes. This angle is 60 degree. Understood? All of you clear? No response. Okay. Avin മനസ്സിലായല്ലോ അല്ലേ? Avin, Sara, clear?
മനസ്സിലായി.
60 degree, and angle of depression of the point P, okay, from the top of the tower is 45 degree. Top of the tower, you know, B is the top of the tower. Correct? I told you this yellow colored one is tower. Clear? Yellow colored one is tower, red colored one is pole. Okay, pole. ഒരു സ്റ്റാച്യു പോലത്തെ എന്തെങ്കിലും. ഓക്കെ, yellow colored one is tower. The angle of depression of point P from the top of the tower is 45 degree. B is the top of the tower. Correct? B is the top of the tower. This is the horizontal view. Correct? If you stand at B, this will be the horizontal view. The angle of depression at P will be, let us draw a line like this. Clear? This angle is what? This angle is angle of depression at B. Correct? That angle is given as 45 degree. I will delete it later. Is it okay? All of you clear? All of you clear?
Yes.
I hope you have understood. This angle, for a clarity, let me write like this. Otherwise you will be confused. Correct? That 60 degrees already given. Then angle of depression, you know the meaning of depression. We are standing at B. I am standing at B. This dot line is my horizontal view. From this horizontal view, to what angle shall I go downward to watch P? To watch P, to what angle, to how much angle shall I go down to watch P? That angle is said to be angle of depression. That angle is given as 45 degree. Clear? All of you clear? Understood? Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Now look here. This dot line, you look this picture, this dot line. Correct? This dot line and the base are parallel lines. Correct? This dot line and the base are parallel lines. This angle is 45 degree, so this angle must be 45 degree. Correct? Let me change the color.
Sir, alternate angle.
Yes, alternate angle. That is the reason. This angle will be 45 degree. കറക്റ്റ് അണ്ടർസ്റ്റുഡ്? അവീൻ, സാറ കറക്റ്റ് അല്ലേ? ഓൾട്ടർനേറ്റ് ആംഗിൾ അല്ലേ? ഇത് 45 ആകുമ്പോൾ ഇതും 45 ആയിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, ഐ ഹോപ്പ് യു ഹാവ് അണ്ടർസ്റ്റുഡ്. ക്ലിയർ? അണ്ടർസ്റ്റുഡ്? ഓക്കെ, നോ റെസ്പോൺസ്.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now you can forget about this 45 degree and this dotted line. If possible, you can delete it. For the time being, let me keep it this dotted line. You can delete it because it is not required at all. Now, okay, let me delete it. Anyway, you understood that. So, unnecessary dotted line and angle I don't want. കിട്ടിയോ അല്ലേ? ഓക്കെ, അധിക ജോയിൻ ചെയ്തു അല്ലേ? സോറി, ഞാൻ മൊബൈലിൽ നിന്ന് കയറിയിട്ടില്ല. അധിക കയറിയിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നല്ലേ? ആ, ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ. എപ്പോൾ കയറിയ അധിക? ആ, ഓക്കെ, കുഴപ്പമില്ല. ഞാൻ മൊബൈലിൽ നിന്ന് കയറാത്തതുകൊണ്ട് കാണാതിരുന്ന. അധികം ഒരു കാര്യം ചെയ്യുക, ഇതൊന്ന് സ്ക്രീൻഷോട്ട് എടുത്ത് പെട്ടെന്ന്. ഞാൻ 2-3 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഞാൻ കാണിച്ചു തരാം. അധികം സ്ക്രീൻഷോട്ട് എടുക്കുക, പെട്ടെന്ന് എടുത്തോ. ഇതൊന്ന് സ്ക്രീൻഷോട്ട് എടുക്കുക. ഓക്കെ. Sarah, Avin, all of you clear? Sarah, Avin, all of you clear? Understood?
Yes.
So the dot line, I don't want to show the dot line anymore. I got the important angles at P, so the dot line is no more required. So what is our question? Find the height of the tower. Okay, BC is our question. Let me denote BC by H. H is the height of the tower. Also CP is also is our question, correct? The distance of P from the foot of the tower. CP denoted by some letter X, so that is much convenient for us. That's why I'm writing. Okay, H and X both we have to find out. All of you clear? Understood? All of you clear?
Yes.
So at P we have 2 angles. Take tan. Okay, in all height distance related problems we always take tan. Okay, never take sine and cos. So tan 45, what is tan 45? Tan 45, look at this smaller right angle triangle. Tan 45 is h by x. സാറയ്ക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ടോ? സാറ, അവിൻ, ക്ലിയർ? ഓക്കെ.
Yes.
Tan 45 is 1, correct? Tan 45 1 now. Cross multiplying gives h equal to x. Useful later. Okay, useful later. H equal to x. Clear ആണോ എല്ലാവർക്കും? അമീറ, clear? Understood? അമീറ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now there is one more angle, tan 60. Always take tan on each angles. Tan 60, the side opposite to 60. Look at that picture. The side opposite to 60 is h plus 6. Correct alle? The side opposite to angle 60 is h plus 6. H plus 6 divided by adjacent side is x. Correct?
Yes. Is equal to
Yes. Tan 60 is root 3. We know that. Tan 60 is root 3. So cross multiplication gives h plus 6 is equal to root 3 into x. Sarah, Avin, മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ അല്ലേ?
yes.
So now we know that x is same as h. നേരത്തെ കിട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നല്ലോ. X is same as h. സോ ഇവിടെ എക്സിന് പകരം എച്ച് എഴുതിയാലും കുഴപ്പമൊന്നുമില്ലല്ലോ അല്ലേ? എക്സ് എച്ച് ബോത്ത് ആർ സെയിം തിങ്. സോ എച്ച് പ്ലസ് 6 ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു റൂട്ട് 3h. എക്സ് ഈസ് റീപ്ലേസ്ഡ് ബൈ എച്ച്. ഐ വാണ്ട് ടു ഫൈൻഡ് എച്ച്. ദിസ് h ഈസ് ടേക്കൺ ടു ദ റൈറ്റ് ഹാൻഡ് സൈഡ്. റൈറ്റ് സൈഡ് ബിക്കംസ് റൂട്ട് 3h മൈനസ് h ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 6 എന്ന് കിട്ടും അല്ലേ? റൂട്ട് 3h മൈനസ് h ഈക്വൽ ടു 6. അദ്യുഗിനെ എവിടം വരെ കിട്ടിയോ? അദ്യുഗ്? ഓക്കെ. h is common. h into root 3 minus 1 is equal to 6 അല്ലേ? ലെഫ്റ്റ് ഹാൻഡ് സൈഡിൽ h കോമണാ. Okay, Amira, clear? Amira, h is common.
Yes, sir.
So h equal to 6 divided by root 3 plus 1. Sorry, root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1. If you stop here, you will not be getting a complete mark. The rationalization is very important step. Okay, always remove the radicals, square root from the denominator side. You need to multiply with the conjugate of denominator. That step is very important. Otherwise, you will not get complete mark. Clear? Okay, le Sara, Avin, multiply with the conjugate.
Yes.
Multiplying with the conjugate, h equal to, that is height of the tower equal to, numerator is 6 into root 3 plus 1 and the denominator is a plus b into a minus b, correct? A plus b into a minus b will be a square minus b square. Correct? Okay, understood? 6 into root 3 plus 1 divided by denominator is 3 minus 1. Denominator
3 plus 1.
3, no. See, have you understood my step? Have you understood my step?
Yes.
6 into root 3 plus 1, denominator is 3 minus 1. Okay, 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 into root 3 plus 1. Okay, 3 into root 3 plus 1.
That's how it's
Okay. So h equal to x equal to, clear? So h and x both are same thing, I told you already. H equal to x equal to 3 into root 3 plus 1. You can substitute the value of root 3 as 1.73, it given in the question. So you must substitute that value. Root 3 is 1.73. Calculation part I don't want to explain. 8.19 meter. So in the end, I don't want to write. In the end, you must write this step, that height of the tower equal to 8.19 meter. Then the distance of point P from the foot of the tower also 8.19 meter. You must add those two sentences. Here I am not writing because I have no space, but in actual exam you must add that sentence. Okay, clear? Okay, Sarah?
Yes, sir.
So let me go to next problem then. Okay, clear? Let me go to next problem. Adhigine kittiyo answer? Adhige kittiyo?
ഞാൻ വേറെ അസേഷൻ ചെയ്യുന്നു.
കിട്ടുന്നില്ല. അസർഷൻ കിട്ടുന്നില്ല. ഇതൊന്ന് സ്ക്രീൻഷോട്ട് എടുത്തൊന്ന് അദ്വൈക. ഓക്കെ, പെട്ടെന്ന് സ്ക്രീൻഷോട്ട് എടുത്തോ. And look at this question. All of you please listen. Look at this question. Sin theta equal to cos theta. Theta lies between 0 and 90 degree. Find the value of sec theta into sin theta. അദ്വൈകിനെ കിട്ടിയോ ഇതിന്റെ ആൻസർ? ഇല്ല. A simple question actually. Actually it's a very simple question. Sin theta equal to cos theta, correct? What is our question? Let me write the question first. What is our question? Our question is sec theta into sin theta, correct? You need not find the angle in this question. Let me write the question first. Sec theta into sin theta is our question, correct? You have studied that sec theta is 1 by cos theta, correct? ശരിയല്ലേ Sarah, Avin?
Yes.
Sec theta is written as 1 by cos theta. It is the most easiest question in this paper. Sin theta and cos theta both are same. It is given in the question. One varum adana. Sin theta and cos theta is given as both are same thing. So the sin is same as cos, correct? So instead of sin I can write cos. Why? Because sine and cos both are same thing for some particular angle. So sine theta is written as cos theta. So cos theta by cos theta. Clear? All of you clear? മനസ്സിലായോ?
Yes.
So cos by cos will be 1. 1 ആണ് ആൻസർ വരുന്നത്. അമീറ ക്ലിയർ? Understood? Amir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we can go to next problem. Assertion reason. Sin A equal to 1 by 3. A lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. Then the value of cos A is 2 root 2 by 3. Reason is given as for every angle theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta will be 1. Clearly reason R is correct. There is no doubt in that. Clear? R is true. There is no doubt in that. Clear? Alle sin square theta plus cos square theta always 1. Correct? ശരിയല്ലേ സാറ അമീറ? So reason I have no confusion. It is true. Let me check the assertion. Okay. Assertion says that sin A is equal to 1 by 3. Cos A, we have to prove that. We have to prove that cos A equal to 2 root 2 by 3. You have studied that sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Is that correct? Is it true? ശരിയല്ലേ?
Yes.
So we have an identity. Sin square A, sin A is given as 1 by 3. Sin A 1 by 3 ആണല്ലോ. So sin square A will be 1 by 3 square plus cos square A is equal to 1. So 1 by 9 plus cos square A is equal to 1. If sin A is given, I can find out cos A. Arranging, we get cos square A is equal to 1 minus 1 by 9. Or cos square A equal to 8 by 9. Clear? Adyuga, Amira, Sara, Avin. Okay, all of you clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Taking square root, cos A equal to root of 8 by 9. Okay? Root 8 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ you know that root 8 is 4 into 2.
3.
Yes. In the next step I will write. Root 8, 8 is 4 into 2. Taking square roots, you will get 2 root 2 by 3. So assertion is true, correct? Clear?
Yes.
And R is the reason. R is the correct explanation for the assertion, because the reason R is I have used reason R, correct? Sin square plus cos square equal to 1. I have used that identity. Amira, Sara, clear ആണല്ലോ അല്ലേ? അദ്വിക്, Avin?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
What about this question? It's a simple question. കിട്ടിയോ അദ്വികിന്?
Yes, yes, sir.
കിട്ടിയല്ലേ? എന്നാൽ ഓക്കെ, ഒരു കാര്യം ചെയ്യുക, ഇതൊന്ന് എഴുതിയെടുക്കുക. ഇത് ഭയങ്കര ലെങ്തി പ്രോബ്ലം ആണ് കേട്ടോ. പ്രൂവ് ദാറ്റ് സ്ക്രീൻഷോട്ട് എടുക്കുക അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എഴുതിയെടുക്കുക.
Okay, sir.
നേരം കൊണ്ട് ഇതൊന്ന് ഞാൻ ചെയ്യട്ടെ. The first part will be homework for you, because similar question I have already discussed. Amira, all of you please do it as homework. You must send me the solution today itself. Okay? The first part, evaluate 2 sin square 30 sec 60 plus tan square 60 will be homework. Similar question I discussed today. I want to discuss B part. അയച്ചായിരുന്നു കേട്ടോ സാറ, Avin. Second one, let's look at second one. 2 into sin A plus B equal to root 3. The similar question is there in NCERT. This type of question is common in all the board exams. Every year I can see this type of question. A and B we have to find out. 2 into sin A plus B, it is given that 2 into sin of A plus B is equal to root 3. This 2 can be taken to the right hand side. 2 taken to the other side, Sin a plus b is equal to root 3 by 2. Clear ആണല്ലോ? Sara, Amira, clear?
Yes.
Yes.
What is a plus b from this equation? What is a plus b? Can you tell me a plus b?
Sir, sine 6.
Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So a plus b must be 60 degree. Clear? അല്ലേ? Simple അല്ലേ? A plus b equal to 60. No response. സാറയ്ക്ക് മനസ്സിലായോ സാറ?
Sir, ഞാനും പറഞ്ഞു.
സാറേനെ പറഞ്ഞത്. അവിന് മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ടോ അവിൻ?
Yes.
Cos a minus b 1 അല്ലേ? We have another equation cos a minus b 1. You know you have studied that cos 0 equal to 1 അങ്ങനെയല്ലേ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുള്ളത്? Cos 0 equal to 1. So a minus b must be equal to 0 degree. Equation number 2. We have to solve for a and b അല്ലേ? We have to solve for a and b. From 1 and 2 we can solve a and b. Elimination method you have already studied. Pair of equations 1 and 2 are added. I can eliminate b. A plus a becomes 2a. B and minus b cancels. Right side 60. A equal to 30 degree. Simple question. A equal to 30, substitute in any of the equation, you will get b also 30. Okay, clear? All of you clear? Okay. This question I will discuss in the next class, okay? Because this take time. This will take time. I will discuss in the next class. That is much better. So, ഇന്നത്തെ class clear ആയല്ലോ? Sara, Avin, Amira, today's class is okay? Clear?
Yes.
Okay, I will send the PDF. Let me wind up the session today. അദ്വികിന് കിട്ടിയോ? ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നുണ്ടോ അദ്വിക് ഇത്?
Yes, sir.
കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ടോ? Okay. Okay, I will discuss this problem next class. Okay, so let me wind up the class. Okay, Advik, bye.